Hello children, we are starting with practice set 7.2. First question, on a graph paper plot the points A, B, C, join A, B and BC. What is the figure formed? So first you know how to locate the points. A 30. A will come 30 and the x-axis. A 30. B 33. It will come here. B 33. C 03. X coordinate 0, Y coordinate 3. So C will come here. Now join all these points here. Here you see 1, 2 and 3 centimeter. 1, 2 and 3 because each box is of 3 centimeter. Sorry, 1 centimeter. So distance O, this is the O known as O. OA equals to 3 centimeter. Distance AB equals to 3 centimeter. Distance BC equals to 3 centimeter. And distance OC equals to, this is again I repeat origin O. OC equals to 3 centimeter. So each angle of quadrilateral OABC is 90 degree. Therefore quadrilateral is a square. All sides are equal. Easy problem. Question 2. Write the equation of the line parallel to y-axis at a distance of 7 units from it to its left. Solution. The equation of the line parallel to y-axis is x equals to a. Since the line is at a distance of 7 units to the left of y-axis, a equals to minus 7. Therefore, x equals to minus 7 is the equation of the required line. Easy? Okay. Question 3. Write the equation of the line parallel to x-axis at a distance of 5 units from it and below the x-axis. So, y-coordinate will be minus. So, here we will see the equation of a line parallel to x-axis is y equals to b, some constant. Since the line is at a distance of 5 units below the x-axis, therefore b equals to minus 5. Therefore, y equals to minus 5 is the equation of the required line. Question 4. The point Q minus 3, 2 lies on the line parallel to y-axis. Write the equation of the line and draw its graph. The equation of a line parallel to y-axis is x equals to a. Here a equals to minus 3. So x equals to minus 3 is the equation of the required line. To draw very easy, Q minus 3, 2 you draw and draw a line passing through this. The equation of this line will be x equals to minus 3, which will be parallel to y-axis. Next question. Question 5. Y-axis and line x equals to minus 4 are parallel lines. What is the distance between them? Now here you see, in textbook it was given x-axis and line x equals to minus 4 are parallel lines. So x equals to minus 4 on the number line can't be a parallel line. So here correction is made. Note the question is modified as x-axis cannot be parallel to the line x equals to minus 4. Very clear? Therefore, equation of y-axis is x equals to 0. Equation of line parallel to y-axis is x equals to minus 4 given. Therefore, the distance between the y-axis and the line x equals to minus 4 is 0 minus minus 4 because 0 is greater here. Greater distance formula you know. Greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. So 0 minus minus 4 will be 0 plus 4 equals to 4 units. Therefore, the distance between the y-axis and the line x equals to minus 4 is 4 units. Next question 6. Which of the equations given below have graphs parallel to the x-axis and which ones have graphs parallel to y-axis? X equals to 3. The equation of a line parallel to y-axis is x equals to a. Therefore, the line x equals to minus 3 is parallel to the y-axis. Y minus 2 equals to 0. Y minus 2 equals to 0 means what? Therefore, y equals to 2. The equation of a line parallel to x-axis is y equals to b. Therefore, the line y minus 2 equals to 0 is parallel to the x-axis. X plus 6 equals to 0. Therefore, x equals to minus 6. The equation of a line parallel to the y-axis is x equals to a. Therefore, the line x plus 6 equals to 0 is parallel to the y-axis. Y equals to minus 5. The equation of a line parallel to the x-axis is y equals to b. Therefore, line y equals to minus 5 is parallel to the x-axis. Question 7. On a graph paper, plot the points A, B and C. If these points are collinear means lying in the same straight line, then draw the line which includes them. Write the coordinates of the points at which the line intersects the x-axis and the y-axis. Now here you see, when you locate these 3 points, you will get this point as C, A and D. Join this line, draw as a line there, and B is also there. Here it intersects at point C on y-axis. So C 0, 5, x coordinate will be 0 here, and it intersects x-axis on D 5, 0. 5 is x coordinate, y coordinate will be 0. From the graph, the line drawn intersects the x-axis at D 5, 0 and the y-axis at C 0, 5. Very clear? Question 8. Draw the graphs of the following equation on the same system of coordinates. Write the coordinates of the points of intersection. So x plus 4 equals to 0, therefore x equals to minus 4. Y minus 1 equals 0, therefore y equals to 1. 2x plus 3 equals to 0, so 2x equals to minus 3, therefore x equals to minus 3 upon 2, x equals to minus 1.5. 3y minus 15 equals to 0, 3y equals to 15, y equals to 15 by 3, therefore y equals to 5. Now, 3y minus 15 equals to 0, it will pass through this line. Y equals to 5. Y equals to 1. Y minus 1 equals to 0, so y equals to 1, it will pass through this line. 2x plus 3, that is 1.5, what we have calculated, x equals to. It will pass through 1.5. This is minus 1 and minus 2, minus 1.5. X plus 4 equals to 0, so x equals to 4, minus 4. So, minus 4, it will pass. So, this will be the quadrilateral form A, B, C, D. Its point of coordinates of x and y will be such. Here it is explained. The coordinates of the point of intersection of x plus 4 equals to 0 and y minus 1 equals to 0 are A point, minus 4, 1, B point as per the given, minus 1.5, 1, C will be minus 1.5, 5, minus 1.5, 5, C coordinate, C point, and D point minus 4, 5, minus 4, 5. I'm sure you might have understood this. Next question 9. Draw the graphs of the equations given below. Here when you draw the graph, when you plot a line graph, at that time at least 3 points you have to take. Because if suppose these two are the 2 points here, this point and this point, a line can pass through any 2 points. These 2 points a line can pass, pen is a line. But if when we take the 3 points, if they are not in the same straight line, so line will not pass through it. But when it pass through the 3 points here, it will be collinear, and graph of any equation is a line. So by mistake, if you do any calculation mistake, this 3 points will not come collinear. At that time, you will understand your calculation mistake. So minimum 3 points you have to take on. So here x plus y equals to 2, y equals to 2 minus x. You have to make this table like this, x and y and xy coordinate. Suppose I have taken here when x equals to 0. This 0 is taken here. Then simplify, you will get y equals to 2. When I take x equals to 0, y equals to 2. When x equals to 1, y equals to 1. Here you see. When x equals to 2, y equals to 0. When x equals to 2, y equals to 0. Only we have to substitute in x plus y equals to 2. One term, you will get another term. And when we get both the terms, we write the coordinate as xy, that is 0, 2, 1, 1, 2, 0. And plot the points here, draw the line here. Very easy. Next. Another example, 3x minus y equals to 0. Therefore, y equals to 3x. So when x equals to 0, y equals to 3 into 0 is 0. So xy will be 0, 0. When x equals to minus 1, y equals to minus 3. Then minus 1, minus 3. When x equals to 1, y equals to 3. So when x equals to 1, y equals to 3. So 1, 3, and next minus 1, minus 3. Plot the points here and join the line. Very easy. Third example based on this, 2x plus y equals to 1. So y equals to 1 minus 2x. When x equals to 0, only we have to substitute the value of one variable and get another variable. So 0. When you simplify, you will get y equals to 1. When x equals to 1, in the same equation you substitute, you will get y equals to minus 1. When x equals to minus 1, you will get y equals to 3. Like this table. Clear? So you can plot the graph. Write the equation of the line here. Like this you have to draw. So very easy. In the next video, we are going to see the problem set 7. Till then, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Thank you.